Want to add a shutdown button directly to your iPhone home screen? In this video, I'll show you how to set it up in just a few simple steps. First, swipe down on your home screen, search for Shortcuts, and open the Shortcuts app. Now, tap the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new shortcut. Next, tap the drop-down arrow at the top and select Rename. Type Shutdown, then tap Done. Tap the drop-down arrow again and choose Choose Icon. You can select any color you like. Then, search for the power icon and select it. After that, swipe down and tap Search Actions. Search for Shutdown, then tap the Shutdown action to add it to your shortcut. If you'd rather create a Restart button instead, simply tap Shutdown and change it to Restart. Once everything is set up, tap the drop-down arrow again and select Add to Home Screen. Finally, tap Add. Now, go back to your home screen and you'll see your new shutdown button. Whenever you tap it, your iPhone will ask if you want to shut down your device. Simply confirm, and your iPhone will turn off. That's it. This is how you can add a shutdown button to your iPhone home screen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.